Hello, Sunshine! Welcome back to another style and story. So it's me again, Julie, and we are here at Pag-asa, Cavite. Just chilling with my friends, and I think 2 days ago, we went to Baguio. La Union and then go to Baguio. So please check out that video. I'll put the link below. That's DIY La Union to Baguio. And also right now, we will be having nahiya, baka may tao. We will be having like trying this. I'll open it. Naka-plastic pa talaga siya. This is Sundot Kulangot. And this is how it looks. This is how it looks. Sakto, red siya, and then my cup is red. So, this is my first time trying this. I don't know. It's been a while. I mean, parang 3 beses ko na atang na-visit yung Baguio. But this is the first time na ito-try ko siya. Ay, natatanggal pala siya. So, hindi ko siya ilalapag. So, bali, ganito siya. Ganito pala. Natatanggal siya. Ganito yung itsura niya. And I need to put it here. Parang messy dito. Ayan. This is how it looks. Yan siya. Ganito pala siya. Parang there is something matamis, oh. And then, usually, this is how they do it. Malisam niyo kamay ko, eh. Just gonna do it like this. Ay, wala guys! Parang siyang jelly something. Okay, let's try it again. Yung iba mahirap buksan. Ayan lang siya, oh. Sobrang konti lang malinis. But you can do it like this nga, eh. I'm wondering kung saan siya gawa. Kasi parang siyang jelly sugar na may matamis. Ang sarap siya. And alam nyo ba, I'm not sure, it's just 50 pesos lang. 50 pesos ko lang siyang nabili. Dapat pa salubong siya. It's just like I decided na, since this is my first time trying this, to just make a vlog about this. So, ayan. For sure, hindi ko ito makakain lahat. Ayan, ito pa. Try natin ito lahat. Medyo mahirap siya buksan. Ayun. Ang galing. This is how you get your booger, diba? This is just how you eat this. Pero, hindi siya makuha, oh. I don't know kung ganito ba talaga lahat. Kasi, look, oh. Parang matigas siya. We're gonna do... Hindi siya matanggal. Ano, hindi siya lahat natatanggal. But it's okay. Let's try another one. Ang hirap niya pala tanggalin. Kasi parang nanigas na siya. I don't know if you try it already. If, like, pag binili siya sa Baguio, do we need to put it in the ref para hindi siya maano or what? Kasi what I did is just, nilagay ko lang siya sa room ko. Parang 2 days ko na siyang na-stay doon. Pero binili ko lang siya sa, market sa Baguio. Masarap naman siya. Parang pantanggal siya. Tanggal umay. Since kakataas lang namin kumain. Sa Jollibee. Jollibee! So, yeah. I think that's all. Nothing so special with this video. I just want to document this. Me, first time trying this Sundot Kulangot. We're supposed to visit, Vermosa. Kaso, wala lang. I don't know what happened. Parang, ito siya, oh. Yan. Yum! Hindi ko alam kung ano yung kalasa niya. Parang tikman ko na siya before. But anyways, look. Ang dami pang natara. So, just gonna eat here. I'm gonna eat this here. Yeah. So, that's all. So, I hope that you enjoy this vlog. It's just a quick vlog. Nothing so special. But thank you so much. Again, don't forget to watch my vlog about DIY La Union to Baguio. It's really fun, and yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching this vlog. It's again Julie. Paalam!